Can you see yourself in the 2024 Hyundai Santa Cruz? Here's a stylish Santa Cruz that offers open bed and towing utility, a premium interior loaded with modern tech, sculpted good looks, and a calm, composed ride. Let the adventure begin. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, wireless charging station, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, navigation system, sun, moonroof, backup camera, satellite radio, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls. Versatility blends beautifully with sophisticated comfort in this remarkable Santa Cruz. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.